survivor never gets a good car, like heartbreaker never gets any scars. A survivor never gets the same life again. Why the nightingale never gets too far. When humans make mistakes, eventually they are measured. But what about the balance? The balance of nature. A good believer never trust anyone. Every freedom fighter, victim of a gun. Why good memories automatically fades? Why bad times you just can't erase? When humans make mistakes, eventually they are measured. But what about the balance? The balance of nature. When poor loves God and rich loves money, why rich gets reward and poor without penny? If you are thirsty in desert, I can understand. What if you're living by the sea and it's thirsty? When humans make mistakes, eventually they are measured. But what about the balance? The balance of nature. Why dreamer never gets good night's sleep? Why newborn babies are afraid to weep? Why looking for justice is another crime? Why we are underground, they are over the line. Their hearts are frozen, still running for the treasure. Our sins, their crimes, together will be measured. What about the balance of nature? When human makes mistake, eventually they are measured.